Hi students, one common requirement is to compare profile data for objects that are aligned similarly but not parallel. Another is the ability to project object from a plan view into a profile view. The ability to superimpose profiles and to project objects are both discussed in this exercise. In this exercise, we will compare two streets in a profile view. In a profile view, a profile is sometimes superimposed to show how one profile adjacent to another. For example, a ditch adjacent to a road center line. So for this, you can open 713 Superimpose Profile from description link, which you can download. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you this drawing. From the Annotate tab here, create design panel. From Home tab here, you will see under the Profile drop down menu, we can see Create Superimpose Profile. Just click on it and here and select Source Profile. Just zoom to the Road C Trial Profile, Full Grid Profile View. Just select and then pick the Road C Trial FG profile, which is your view line, which I want to superimpose in this profile view. Just select this one and then at the select destination profile, click one of the grid line in the Road C Full Grid Profile View to display the Superimpose Profile option dialog box. On the Limits tab, we can control the start and end station of the superimposed profiles in the event that you do not want to entire profile to be superimposed. On the Accuracy tab here, we can control the handling of curves through the mid-ordinate settings. Superimposed curves are not actually curves at all. They are a lot of small segments that superimpose approximately. They are curved. The smaller the mid-ordinate distance value, the smaller and more numerous the segment will be. Just click OK to dismiss the dialog box and accepting the default setting. Now if you zoom in the Road C profile view, you will see superimposed data, which is our surface profile for the Road C Trial FG. Just note that the vertical curves in the Road C Trial FG layout profile have been approximated on the Road C Full Grid Profile View using a series of PVIs. Superimposing work by projecting a line from the target alignment Road C to a perpendicular intersection with the other source alignment of Road C Trial. The target alignment is required for an elevation at the intersecting station and a PVI is added to the superimposed profile. Just note that this superimposed profile is still dynamic. A change in Road C Trial Profile FG will be reflected on the Road C Full Grid Profile View here also. This is how we can compare two roads profile or two separate offset of right left. For example, we have one road and we have two offset of the road right and left. Then we can compare them in a one profile view, which called superimpose. So stay tuned with us for more Civil 3D tricks and tips.